So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find 5+ bedroom homes for sale here on Redfin. So once Redfin is opened up, just go ahead to where it says buy and type in your location, and then go ahead and press on search. Now, once you're on this page right here, so I have Vegas as this example, I want you to go to where it says beds/baths. Go ahead and press on that. Then where it says beds right here, make sure that 5+ is selected. So now what you're going to be seeing are listings that offer 5 or more bedrooms in it. And if all looks good, go ahead and press on done. Now, if you want to take this a step further and you want to look at specifically houses, for example, go to where it says home type right here. Make sure that houses are selected, but this also works for townhouses, it works for condos, whatever the case may be. You can get as specific or as wide open as possible. And if all looks good, go ahead and press on done. And then your 5+ bedroom listings for sale will be here in front of you. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find 5-bedroom homes for sale on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.